Welcome back, everybody. Well, it is a terribly hot day, and about the only thing you can hear out here is locusts. I don't know if you can hear them out there everywhere. It sounds like a symphony. It's too hot to work in the shed. It's like 97, 98 degrees Fahrenheit, and the shed probably more than that. So I'm just kind of goofing off here at my little work table that I have set up outside and stuff. I'm hoping we'll get a thunderstorm, but you never know. It's kind of a cloudy day, sort of over that way, and some blue sky this way and whatnot. And been spending the morning doing some spoons and whatnot like that, and looking over the garden and stuff like that. And still a long way to go before we get some coolish air. So let's take a look at these figs real quick. Yeah, buddy, looking good, man. Yeah. Hear all those locusts? Gosh, unbelievable. It's about the coolest place in the whole yard right here is where all these fruit trees come together. You got peach and fig and plums and cherries all right there in this little area, clustered. And the everything's doing good considering how warm and dry it's been. We got our solar drip irrigation system going, and the little like cherry tomatoes and stuff like that. They've really been producing cucumbers and stuff. And I think I had noticed over here in the Concord grapevines that there was some color starting to show, some bluish purplish, but it's still 2 or 3 weeks before you can expect anything really to be right. But let's take a look in there. It's trying to keep everything alive, and hopefully everybody's doing good. I've heard reports of really bad storms out in the midwestern part of the U.S., and I know last week y'all folks from Texas caught it. So we shall see. Remind me to never complain about cold weather again. But like I said, I've been out here at my little work table and been working on some spoons and stuff like that. And when the sun hits them, they kind of start to change colors. They get that deeper color. And this particular one, I noticed it had some little cracks there at the front, so we're doing a little work on it. And patch it with some sawdust and whatnot. But this was a piece of ambrosia maple. And yeah, hopefully everybody's doing good and whatnot. A little bit of a breeze blowing. But they say today 97, 98 degrees Fahrenheit, about the same tomorrow. And then Thursday, it should come back, break back a little bit, and a really good chance of some heavy weather, rain that is, thunderstorms and stuff. We're back here by a bird bath area, and this is a nice shady spot, and which it helps keep the bird water cool for them. And I probably make about 4 or 5 trips a day out here to give them cool, clean water. And of course, they just love to get up in here to the seed tray and then throw it in the water. So we'll take care of that here again shortly. Give them some more fresh water. But all in all, like I said, it's just trying to get a few things done and working around this heat and whatnot. y'all have a great day, and we'll check back in with you here in a day or few, and hopefully the weather won't be too big of an issue. All right, everybody, y'all take care.